there guys, I'm back again, and today we are going to unbox the brand new Lookfantastic box. And I'm kind of, a little bit afraid because this box feels particularly light, and as we all know, when a box feels light, it's usually not really the best box out there. So let's see, what does the cap say? There is no force more powerful than a woman determined to rise. Completely agree with that. Okay, we got beautiful paper. Well, actually, just regular paper because it's just white. This is, come on there. This is the inside of this month's box. Okay, where to begin? Let's begin with a little pot. I think the booklet last month mentioned that we were, no, wait a minute. Speaking about the booklet, where the hell is my booklet? You guys, I have no booklet. I do know that when the first lockdown hit Europe, I remember we did not receive a booklet. I don't know what the situation in Britain is right now, so maybe the United Kingdom is in another lockdown. I don't know. But again, I didn't get a booklet, which means yet again that I don't know the price of the items. So there's that. Okay, but wait a minute, I saw this somewhere. Was it in an email? I can't remember. I swear to God, I saw this. This is from Christopher Robin. It's a regenerating mask with rare prickly pear seed oil. This is what it looks like, and clearly this little fella is not a full size. This is definitely, ooh, there we go. This is definitely small. Oh, it smells so good, like holy cow. This, like I'm not kidding you, it's giving me hints of Chanel No. 5, like not even joking. Wow, if I could have this scent in a perfume, thank you. If anyone of Christopher Robin is watching, perfume, thank you. Anyway, love me a good mask, but I have no idea, like I said, no booklet, so I have no idea what the price is. This is 50 milliliters. Oh yeah, it's actually full size. I thought it would not be a full size because it's so small, but 50 milliliters usually is kind of a full size. So I don't know. You guys are gonna have to look it up online, sorry. Okay, let's move on to Polar. This is the Ice Source moisturizing cream with iceberg water, and this is actually perfect for summer, for the hot summer months, so I'm actually going to keep this for summertime. It says it's 95% natural origin. I'm going to keep this for summertime because when it's like 40 outside, European, by the way, not 40 American, because I think 40 American is like very, very cold, but I'm talking like European stuff. When it's 40 out there, it's redonkulously hot here. I think 40, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think 40 is somewhere around 90 in America. I'm not really sure, but I think it is. And it would be great to have a cooling moisturizer. So I'm going to keep this little fella for summertime. Moving on to Hello Fab Coconut Water Cream. Helps hydrate, smooth, and recharge. Safe for sensitive skin. But is it used daily in the AM and PM? Apply evenly over clean skin. So I'm just going to assume we got another hydrating moisturizer. Why did we get two hydrating moisturizers? I'm not really sure, but we did. Again, gonna keep that one for around the summertime. Now we got something else from Bloom and Blossom. It's the Wonder Worker Multitasking Balm. Keys, phone, Wonder Worker. What? How to use. Apply with clean fingers to skin that needs extra attention for external use only. But it doesn't, see, that's why I need a booklet. Like, that's great that they say for skin that needs extra attention, but what kind of extra attention? For irritated skin, for dry skin, for red skin, for... And on top of that, I'm not really into multitasker bombs. So you know what? I'm just gonna pass this along to one of you guys in a giveaway. Speaking of giveaways, I want to make sure that everybody knows to enter my giveaway. We are so freaking close to reaching 600 subscribers. I've got a satchel filled with makeup and cosmetics that I'm giving away. For all the new people out there, hello. Please subscribe to my channel. I will always have giveaways open. And like I said, as soon as we reach 600 subscribers, I'm going to give away that satchel filled with makeup, and a new giveaway will start, and I have something so freaking special planned for that new giveaway. But before I can start, I need to reach 600 subscribers to be able to end this giveaway. So make sure to enter my giveaway. I think the link is down below. If it's not, it's one of my previous videos. You'll see it. You have to scroll on quite a bit, but you'll see it. Okay, moving on to Ahava Dead Sea Mud Mineral Mud Soap. Mud soap for body. Removes all impurities and refreshes the skin, lather and rinds. Let's see what the inside looks like, because the box is pretty cool. But, oh yeah, probably completely natural, huh? Oh, or not. I thought this was, oh, it doesn't say. I thought this was going to be like completely natural, because given the color, you know, it looks like all of the other 100% natural stuff does. Yeah, and it smells like that too. Usually the natural stuff doesn't really smell all that great. Not, you know, don't get me wrong, it's usually, oh, it does have perfume, it does have a fragrance in here, and it still stinks? Okay, let's just move on. Let's just move on to, I got two more items. A box is empty. One of those items is, well, let's just start with this one in a box. It is from Brushworks. This is a double-ended brow brush. So basically, I kind of want to get it out, but I kind of don't. It's not sealed, so I can technically get it out, but I don't want to ruin the box, because I already know. Oh my goodness, I'm going to ruin the box. Hold on. I want to get it out to show you guys, because this will be in a future giveaway. Ooh, I little bitty bit destroyed the box. Sorry. But it's not sealed, so therefore I can open it. There. This is what it looks like. So we got this end of the brush, and then we have, see? Double-ended brow brush. So you can use it for your brows, and then you can fill in the, actually no, start with filling in the brows and then, you know, brush them. But I'm going to give this away to one of you in a future giveaway. Why? Because I have 1,000,001 of these brushes. So I'm sorry. And like I said, little bitty bit, hopefully you guys are able to see that I ruined the box a little bitty bit, but still good. Okay, now, last item is Lottie London AM to PM. Retractable eyeliner in the color black. Okay, it does have this plastic crap over it, which I hate, because I have these nails and I, for the love of me, cannot get this shit out of here. It's so annoying. Y'all are gonna have to give me a minute. Okay, so I finally got it out. Yeah, it's just a black pencil, but I do prefer these over the like the wooden ones, because when I sharpen the wood, sometimes tiny fragments of wood stay on this little pencil right here, and then when I put it in my eye, I get that piece of wood in my eye, and it just hurts like hell. So I really do prefer these very much. I'm gonna leave it like that. This is also perfect because it's so freaking tiny. I don't need a sharpener, like I said. And usually, not always, but usually, see, there you go. Sharpener is on this end right here. So this is just perfect for travel purposes as well. You just put it in your bag. It literally doesn't take up space. It looks like a pencil. Love it. Okay guys, that is it for this month's box. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. Wow, that is amazing. 2 out of 7 I am gonna give away, which is the brush, like I said, and the Bloom and Blossom multitasking balm, because simply I'm not really a fan of the whole multitasking balms. All of the other stuff I'm definitely going to use. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. I'm sorry I didn't have a booklet. I don't know the prices, and I'm honestly just too lazy to look them up. So if you're really that interested, look it up yourself. I'm sorry, lazy YouTuber here. But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this month's box? Don't forget to enter my giveaway. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!